Hello everyone, welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Codemode, where you learn by practice. Currently we are learning what is coding, and in today's class we will learn about what is a computer program. In the previous class we learned about idea versus execution, in which we learned that humans are good at thinking, humans are good at solving a problem, but not so good at executing the solution. On the contrary, machines are good at repeating a task in very short span of time, but computers can't think. Now, we are good at processing the information, we know the solution. All we have to do is to tell the computer or a machine how to execute this task, how to repeat the set of instructions. This set of instructions is called code or a program, and people who write these programs, the set of instructions that we feed to a computer, are called programmers or coders. Without these programs, without this set of instructions, computers are dummy machines. When you launch a browser, a Chrome browser on your computer or a laptop, you are asking computer to do something for you. For example, a Chrome browser, we use it to surf the web. We go to Google, we enter a keyword or enter your search phrase, and a computer program runs and brings the data and show it back to you on your screen. Somebody has written that program, those set of instructions, and fed it to a computer so that computer can return the data for us. Right? That is what we refer as computer programs. So in a nutshell, a computer program is nothing but a set of instructions that we have given to a computer in a specific format, what we refer as code. Now, computers are good at processing the data. They are much faster than human brains. And that's why we need to write computer programs. We need to give those set of instructions so that the computer can process the data for us, or repetitively and in a very short period of time. And that's why humans and computers are really best friends. That's all in this class. If you have any question on any part of the concept, feel free to post a question in our community on the platform, and either I or another teacher or another student would be happy to answer for you. If you know the answer and you see a question somebody has asked, go ahead and answer it. Please take time to solve the quiz, because that is the only way to learn, programming. It will also help you test your knowledge and understanding. Happy learning, and I'll see you guys in the next class.